Is your business looking for a new IT support provider, but without the sort of technical knowledge? That's quite a hard task to take on board. There are a lot of companies out there. Do you go on costs? Do you go on word of mouth? Do you go on the proposal that's submitted? My name's Chris Malpass. I'm a business IT consultant for BIT Solutions. We're just based in Leeds. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you some sort of tips, what to look for, the questions to ask, but I will try not to be biased. Now, when I'm sat with clients, I find it quite difficult to sort of explain as to how our IT support differs to other companies. There are a lot of different SLAs, a lot of different sizes of companies, different technical backgrounds. So I'm going to give you a bit of an idea as to where to go in this video, a little bit of tips, as I said, what to look for and what to consider moving forward. Do give us a call. The number's in the bottom corner should you need any information moving forward. So how big is the company that you're looking at? Is it somebody that might be one, maybe two people, a one-man band, that sort of size? Now, if that person obviously wants to go on holiday, it might be that they're off poorly. Do you wait a week for a response? Do you have to outsource that IT issue to another company in their absence? On the other end of the scale, it might be somebody, a company that's very, very large, and yes, they'll have a good technical know-how, but you're not going to get that sort of familiar touch. You're not going to get that response time that you potentially require for your business. Do you log a ticket and eventually get that response? Are you getting the staff that know your staff? I think with a sort of mid-sized company between sort of 4 and maybe 15 engineers, this is the sort of touch you're going to get. You're going to get that familiarity with your systems, and they're going to obviously respond to your tickets a lot faster, which is fantastic. And then next up, how often do the engineers of the company get trained? Are they fully up to date with what's required with regards to software supporting you, your hardware, such as Microsoft operating systems, integration with your maybe other softwares? Are they fully up to speed with security software and hardware? The better the engineers are trained, the quickly that your issues are going to get fixed. And then next up is on-site support. Now, 95% can be dealt with remotely, so obviously quicker remote fixes are better. Now, it might be that an engineer is required on site, so do the company that you're looking at have engineers available to get to your site in a timely manner, meaning that obviously your IT issues can be fixed in a timely manner. Now, you'll need to consider service levels. How quickly will your problems be responded to and fixed once you've reported them? So these are known as service level agreements, or SLAs for short, and all IT companies should have these obviously within the contract, so you know you're going to get that response time you require. So the SLAs will dictate how quickly the company will respond to the issues and how quickly they will aim to fix these issues that occur within your business. You'll need then to compare SLAs to the requirements of your business. So it might be that you've got a machine that is critical to the business, maybe it takes orders, things like that. If that machine went down, maybe you could cope with it for 3 hours. If the SLA from the company is maybe a 4-hour SLA, then it might sort of fit. But look at how your business runs, the SLAs that are provided from the support company, and just see if that ties in, so you know that you're going to get that fixed time as quickly as possible. And what other services do the IT support company offer? IT support is one thing, but can they offer maybe the supply of hardware and software, the installations of these products, maybe internet connectivity, and maybe the new VoIP phone system that obviously a lot of companies do require nowadays? I think that it is a good thing that you can ring one number if your internet's down, you've got an IT issue, or maybe a phone system issue or anything like that. One number, it takes it off your desk. That company will deal with it. And do they offer a regular account management visit? Do you have sort of a quarterly sit down, or maybe more, with sort of a technically trained person such as myself that can assist with the technical roadmap, plan your IT and how the IT grows with your company, and maybe how your company uses technology to help your business grow? And finally, costs. Now, pricing can range massively depending on the size of the company. That could be large or small, and it might depend on the support levels of service that are being offered. Now, if the size of the company is big, obviously they've got big overheads, they've got a big team of people to pay. If the size of the team is very, very small, obviously it's potentially going to be less. Now, if it is a small company, engineers may not have had the investment and training required, and you may find that services drop in their busy spells. It's really worth investing that little bit more in your IT company, ensuring that they have the engineers, training and backing required to help your business. Now, I hope my video has been helpful. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you do need any help, any consultancy, obviously the number's just down here in the bottom of the screen. If you could like and share my video, I'd really, really appreciate it. Hopefully speak to you soon. Take care.